once the ordinance was passed, we began to plan out what this would look like for us and what we needed to do what we intended to do in the first place, was to put public health education around smoke-free and what the ordinance called for out to the businesses. So our plan has been that we've done this in phases for us. The first phase being that we ensured that we laid out how we were going to go out to do this education, what was the requirements for signage, what was the requirements on what you can and can't do, just making sure businesses understood who could smoke or not smoke, where they could do that. The toolkit that we created with all of that information will be available this evening on the city's website, on the smoke-free website, so they'll be able to pull it down. The other thing that we've done in preparation is letters with our partners have gone out to the over 13,000 businesses in the city, not only to bars, to let them know what the process was, how to get a toolkit from us, if they wanted us to come out and speak with them about it and speak to their employees. Also included in the toolkit is information for employees on how to approach people who are smoking and what they would need to do. So we've taken our time, looked at other cities and what they have done for this, and put those lessons learned from those other cities together for New Orleans to do that. The second phase will then move into what does enforcement look like. And that's going to take a little more time to understand what are all the repercussions of that. So the current phase goes through the complaint process, having people understand how do you put out a complaint, how do you contact us to let us know that. We will then continue to go to those businesses, letting them know that there has been a complaint filed, go out to that business and educate, make sure that they are doing the things that we would be looking for to make sure they're in compliance.